This video is going to cover a network upgrade installation of Sage BusinessWorks. Let's start first with a server demonstration. Once you've downloaded Sage BusinessWorks 2025, double-click, click Yes if you get prompted for user account control, and then click Setup. Once the files have extracted, click Install Sage BusinessWorks 2025. If you're prompted to install Microsoft files, go ahead and click Install. We're going to click to install Sage BusinessWorks 2025. Go ahead and say yes if you get a prompt for user account control. Click Next to continue. You will receive a message that Setup has detected the correct version of Actian is installed. Click OK to continue. Accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. Verify your client data path and click Next. And then verify your install settings and click Next to begin. And when the Finish button comes up, go ahead and click that button to complete the install. Exit out of the install screen and launch Sage BusinessWorks. Go ahead and log in using your existing credentials. There are going to be two ways to update your databases. One is select a company that you need to have updated, and the database update will appear. You always want to make sure that you're updating the BW System 1400 as well as your company. New with 2025, we have made the screen a bit larger and easier to select your companies, so you can do a deselect all, a select all, or you can select just the individual companies. Another way to access the database update is to click the Windows Start button, scroll down to the Sage BusinessWorks program directory, and choose Database Update. I'm going to hit Next, and here is where you also select any companies to be updated. We do recommend updating all the databases directly as a server, because if you attempt to update the databases on a workstation, you'll receive likely a 7004 error message. And if you do receive that, just come back to the server and update your databases. Once that's complete, you now have access to your data in 2025. You will want to go up to Help and download updates and ensure that you have the most current update available for your software. Here on the download portal is where you'll see the updated versions and the most current service packs. Now let's look at a client installation demo using an existing Sage BusinessWorks icon. To upgrade the Sage BusinessWorks client, if the user has an icon for Sage BusinessWorks on their desktop, right-click the Sage BusinessWorks icon. Select Open File Location. In the Client Setup folder, select the autorun.exe and click Install Sage BusinessWorks Client. If you get prompted for USAC, click Yes. If you get prompted to install any Microsoft files, click Install. A reboot may be required during this step. Click Next. Click Yes. It's going to detect that Actian is already installed. Click OK. The installation of the client is now complete. We're going to close out of the installation screens. Double-click the Sage BusinessWorks icon. Go ahead and click OK to log in, and you'll notice it's now on Sage BusinessWorks 2025. If you do have databases that need to be updated, we do recommend performing that directly at the server. If you attempt to update a database from the client, you are going to receive a 7004 message. If you receive this message, go directly back to the server and perform a database update for all companies. Also too, we recommend going up to Help and Download Updates and make sure that you have downloaded and installed the most current service pack from the download portal. You do need to install those on the server and all client workstations. And let's look at the client demonstration where the client has no existing icon. To install the Sage BusinessWorks client, right-click on the Windows Start button, choose File Explorer. In the bar, type in / and then the name of your server and hit Enter. Once there, choose the Sage folder, the BWProg folder, the Client Setup folder, and then choose Autorun. Click Install Sage BusinessWorks Client. If you're prompted for user account control, go ahead and say yes. Go ahead and click Next. Click OK to the PDF message. Click OK to the message that it's already detected Actian. Go ahead and confirm the program folder and click Next. and then verify the installation settings and hit Next. Once complete, click Finish, exit out of the install screens, go ahead and double click on Sage BusinessWorks icon, log in. This message will appear if the company you're attempting to log into has not yet been updated. If you receive this message, go directly to the server, run the database update, and then come back and attempt to access the company. I'm going to switch over to the sample company. And now that we're in the sample company, you want to make sure that you have the most recent service pack installed by going to Help, Download Updates, and then visit the Sage BusinessWorks download portal to ensure that you have any updates that are available installed. Those updates should be installed on the server and all workstations. Thank you for watching our tutorial today on how to upgrade Sage BusinessWorks.